Alright viewers, appreciate you watching. We just out doing a little door dashing today just to see what that's gonna be like, see if we can't make a little money while we just out taking a day off, enjoying this nice weather for a change. So I'll be in and out with the video, so it's gonna be unedited, but it's gonna stop because I'll pause it just to save battery life on the cameras. But I just wanted to share this day with y'all, let y'all ride with us while we try to make a little money door dashing. And thanks for watching. And if you have not subscribed to the channel, please do so. We are trying to reach the 50 mark so we can start going live. And I'd like to get the channel back up where my old channel was. I got locked out of it somehow, so I lost a bunch of data, a lot of videos out there. But oh well, we'll just start over. It's nothing but a thing. So hit that like and subscribe and ride along with us. Well, sit here right now, we're just waiting. Gigi's gone to pick up the food. We're at Dairy Queen. So yeah, it's just a waiting game. She will be back in a minute, maybe. She won't stay too long, camp out in there. I know it's getting late. We've been out since about, I guess, 7:30 or so this morning, just riding around spending money we didn't need to spend, but waiting on dashes to come through. And then of course DoorDash, the way it works, if you pause it, it gives you like a 35-minute pause. But we paused it. This is the second time we've paused it, and it, in about 15 to 18 minutes, it ended our DoorDash. So we had to wait so we could DoorDash again. And we have been sitting for about 2 hours waiting for it to let us dash again. So now we're just starting back up. We just got another one, so can't make no money if you're sitting still. Need the wheel rolling to make money. And here comes Gigi. So we are finna go make the delivery. So I got it rolling now. Telling them what we're doing.
Nothing.
With Gigi.
Nothing.
This is Gigi.
Shut it.
She's camera shy.
Go here. It's like 20 miles away.
But we're gonna get her out of it.
We need to go find that Pearson place that we seen downtown the other day.
And of course, DoorDash's GPS
She could nick her a yard too.
does not know where she's at half of the time. So if you DoorDash or think about getting into it, just pay attention to her. And she will twist and change her mind a lot. Pause the video for a minute, try to save the battery. Go for it. Okay, we are still on the same delivery that I cut y'all off on to save battery. And we've been here about, on this one, what, about 10 minutes, you reckon?
Probably.
But that's okay, because it's paying, what, $9?
Yeah, $9.
That ain't too bad, I don't guess. This is it. That's his house. That's where we had to go replace a starter.
Yep. I guess this is it. Well.
See, and in case y'all didn't notice that, I got another GPS sitting right here beside me. She tells me exactly where to go. Yes, I'm talking about you.
I'm not listening to you. I'm talking to your daughter. She's at the doctor.
Be on the right. That makes it your side.
Nope, it's still your side. 300 feet, 1316.
Nope.
8, so 8, 12. Next one.
1316.
Alright. For some reason my GoPro kicked off the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or whatever it's running on my phone. How it communicates back and forth. It is now back up and running. So we are back on another delivery. We are picking up at Taco Bell. And that's another phone we got going off down there for something else. It's I think it's like $5 and something for 1.3 miles. And GIGI is in Taco Bell trying to pick up the food now, and of course it's not ready. Surprise. So well, here she comes now. Finally, we've been sitting here for about 10 minutes probably. Now we're leaving Taco Bell. That other phone's steady going off.
Yes.
Yeah, I know. Sit there and sit there and sit there.
2686.
You gotta love it when people pull up to a stop sign and just sit there, and you're trying to be nice and let them go because they were there first, but
What was that?
was that? I don't know.
Oh, the truck back car. I seen a puff of smoke.
Oh,
Apparently he blew up.
wow. Okay. That ain't too bad.
Can't drive.
People just can't drive. That ain't got nothing to do with big city. They're too worried about being on their phone instead of paying attention to other people and stuff they need to be. They're driving. Well, you know.